Wellness here in Bangkok, Thailand, Central World, 5th floor. So, katapat dito is Albero. Kung hanapin nyo Albero, and then dito katapat niya, 5th floor. So, let's go. Let's check inside. So, nag-book kami ng holistic package, 120 minutes, 2 hours yun. So, tara, let's go.
Pasok lang kayo dun sa concierge and may mag-a-assist sa'yo and bibigyan kayo ng form para sagutan yon. And then after that, may specialty sila na ibibigay sa inyo while waiting for your massage.
I'm ready. Let's go. 2 hours to. So, balik kami after 2 hours.
We tried the 120 minutes holistic massage. So for the foot spa, it's 30 minutes. And for the thigh body massage with herbal ball, it's 90 minutes. So you can choose whether ang focus mo is